Today's review will be something unique and something I've never seen done online before. I'm going to be doing a product comparison of product boxes. And in today's comparison, we're going to be doing Shanling's M3 Ultra box versus FiiO's M11S box. Now, both of these DAPs are around the $500 mark, and so I thought a comparison of their boxes would be good going. So to start with, we have the M3 Ultra box in bright colors with an orange center and a, well, arguably stylish design with, at least has Chinese on the front, I suppose, and some information on the back. Compare that to the FiiO M11S box, which goes for the shiny DAP highlighting black and, with the electronic design on the sides, which looks kind of classy. But unlike the M11S box, the Shanling M3 Ultra box is very easy to use. Now, but in size-wise, the M3 Ultra box is smaller, making it more convenient with people like me who have so many DAPs they don't know what to do with them and need to store the boxes in a cupboard. And being somewhat shorter, that's more convenient. However, they are about the same thickness, and the M3 Ultra box is maybe slightly narrower. Well, it's kind of much of a muchness. So winner there definitely is the M3 Ultra box being smaller. Now, when you start opening them up, you have the M3 Ultra box has the recesses in the outer sleeve, making it easy to do the push and pull to get the sleeve off. And then you have this stylish kind of cut design with the thick cardboard cover, which gives it a good solid feel, and with the embedded felt in there covering the player, that feels more classy than with the M11S box. And then you have direct access to the player, and which has the good old piece of ribbon for pulling it out of its recess, and below which you also have a nice recess making it easy to get the USB cable box out. And then behind that, the foam comes out easily to get the accessories box free. A very good design from Shanling there, and the whole thing, albeit that it is cardboard, does feel quite classy. And especially if you just now have to put the whole lot back together, well, then it's an easy kind of 1, 2, 3 to get it all back in the box and put it together and put it back in its sleeve. Great if you were like me and you forget to get something out or want to get out the new screen protector later and you pull it out of the cupboard to do so. The FiiO M11 box, on the other hand, isn't quite as neat. You do the good old push and pull to get the sleeve off, but after that it becomes more fiddly and complex. You have, I think this was the order because there isn't a clear order how to put it back together. You have the instruction box with the whatever accessories in there, screen protector and a usual stupid high-res stickers, and a warning saying that there is a screen protector already on the DAP and not to pull it off by accident, only pull off the screen protector cover. Then you have, this fiddly, thin and not so classy cover which has the foam separate below it, which doesn't feel as nice as the Shanling M3 Ultra box. And then you have finally access to the player section. And now if you want to get all that out, you want to get out the USB cable box, well, there's no handy recess. You kind of have to fiddle or just come on, get the thing out, or just pull everything out to get it out in the first place. And that's not quite as neat as with the M3 Ultra box. And of course, putting it all back together, then that's more fiddliness for those people, again, like me, who then put the box in the wrong way back and need to kind of access it to get other accessories, say later down the track, because I already have 5 million USB-C charging cables and I don't need 5 million more floating around my drawers, so they all just stay in the box. But anyway, you shove all that back there, and if I didn't forget anything, which I often do, that's back there. So a clear winner for the Shanling M3 Ultra box, smaller, nicer made and more convenient to use. So I hope you find that review useful. In future we'll be doing more box reviews. If you'd like to see some particular box reviews, please do suggest them in the comments below. If you've had a good or bad experience with a product box, please let me know and I'll consider looking into that product for review. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and do consider becoming a supporter if you'd like to support my box reviews, as I'll be doing more every April 1st going forward. So thanks once again, and I'll see you online.